In this video, we're talking about CSS background images. Okay, to do that, let's open. Let me use internal styling. Uh, style. So before we use the internal styling, let me just write some text. Then I will not add the internal styling to it. Let me say head1 hash. Okay, let me use h2. Welcome to our laptop store. Welcome to our laptop store. Okay, then let me give it a paragraph. Let me say inside PRMS, let me add Roran say 60 London West. Okay, now assuming that this is a website, when the user comes to this website, he will our website is about laptop store. Okay, so we want to add a laptop background so that when the user comes visit our website, they'll be seeing a laptop in our background. So to add image to the background, so go to the style, use type body, open our declaration block. Inside it, then declare background image, then type in URL. Okay, then when you type the URL, make sure that you know where your image is located. I have my image folder. Here's my image folder. I have images. I have two images inside. So one is laptop, one is image. So the best practice is to create a folder and store all your images in one image folder. Okay. Then back to what we are doing. Okay, so to bring that image here, use it for our background image here. So we put in double quotes, then it's even highlighting it for us. So the best way I do it, just dot slash to list it out, the content of our project folder. Then select where you store your images. I store it in image folder. Then inside image folder, here's the laptop that I want to use. Click enter. You can see we now have let me use this. We now have laptop in our background. We have this is a one laptop, but it duplicates, as in it repeats itself. Okay, but let me make this let me give this thing a color. This is header 2 and header 2 and paragraph. Let me add this thing to let me add some property and value to header 2 and the header P, so it will not disappear because of the background image. Let me add a color to make the text more visible. Let me say h2, and let me use let me say font size. Let me use color first. Say color. Let me use aqua color and see how it looks like. No, this one is not that visible. Let me use if I use red is not a good combination. It's good, but okay, let me use azure. Let me use azure, and then I'll give it a background color of blue. I'll give it a background color of blue. Background color of, let's say, blue. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, yeah, this makes a little bit sense. Okay, now let's go to our paragraph, and then add the properties and the value. Let's add let's declare background color. Which color will I give to this text now? This paragraph text now. Let me see what I can do for them. Let me say color. Okay. Inside this color now, should I use? Let me try gold and see what it looks like. Is even this one is worst. This one is worst. Should I use? Let me see red. The color is the background is interfering with the visibility of the text. So what I will do now, I will increase the font size. When I increase the font size and add color, I think it will solve the issue. Now let me try and see. Let me say font size. Let me use 3 here. Let me see what it looks like. It's too much. Let me say 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Then let me should I use font family? Let me look for one that will make it a bit bold. Font family. Font family. Don't know what this family, but let me just select any line. I think I know Aria. I think it will make it a bit bold. Yeah, Aria did not make that much bold. Let me click this one. Let me see what will happen. It's not giving me what I want. How about using area body? It's another one called area. Area bold. Does it exist? Area hyphen. Oh, it's not here. Let me just use any other one. Let me see what this one is all about. Okay. I don't even like this thing. Let me just select another one and see what it looks like. Let me select another one and see what it will look like. Let me see area. How about impair? I think there's something called M. I think there's something called it's not this. I think impact, something like this. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Impact is a bit bolder. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So I can now give it a color. I can now add the color now. Let me add color now. I think it will be very bit visible now. Let me use aqua and see how it looks like. No, it's too sharp. Let me use gray. Not yet there. Say go. How about gold? It's good, but the color is not that helpful. You know what? Let me add the background color here. Not background color. Let me use another. Let me try this gold one. Yeah, I think this one makes a little bit sense. Okay, so the user will see the background image in this laptop as a background image while reading the text. So you can, this system this laptops is just a one laptop. So watch my next video on how to do repeat, how to remove this repeat and then enlarge the video. Okay, I will not do repeat in this video. I'll just okay, I will not do repeat in this video. I will do it in the next video. So watch the next video on repeat. So I will do non-repeat and then remove this background, remove the the uncountable number of these space because there are many, and then make them just cancel the repeat, and it will be only one. Then I will now enlarge that one and use only that one as my background image. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Try and watch the repeats, the repeats, so you will learn how this thing works well. Thank you for watching.